Hi, my name is Josephine Chase. As campaign manager, I want to bring awareness to the current campaign, the Ohio River Cleanup Project. When reviewing Bob's campaign, it was brought to my attention the following: that there are several ethical issues. For instance, the poster image he selected is of a group of poor urban African American children alongside an Ohio River. Be careful, Bob. We live in a very diverse world. Everyone who lives by the Ohio River are not poor, urban, African American children. I would change the image in the picture to a more culturally familiar to all individuals who live in Ohio. The picture I chose is of a diverse set of children of different races and genders. It will be more familiar to the individuals who live in Ohio. Next, the poster states, "Let's help them clean up." Who is them? The poor urban African American children? We should change the slogan to, "Let's help clean up Ohio rivers," in order to appeal to all nationalities and genders to go out and clean the Ohio River. The poster also has two images of celebrities, which gives the impression of celebrity endorsement. I do not see proof of approval to put in the celebrity images. We cannot just use any images. We have to ask permission for the acknowledgement. So we have to remove them. Also, I don't see any sources acknowledged on the poster. We need to acknowledge our sources. We cannot take images from Google without citing where they come from. This company would like to stay away from any legal actions being taken. On the second poster, I've included my references here. Lastly, I can see that you have digitally altered the poster to make the African American and children appear thinner, darker, and dirtier. This is not acceptable, Bob, because this is discriminating. And again, we need to use culturally familiar images that are true, unaltered, and acknowledge the information. In order to reduce the ethical issues, we must change the ethical issues to be more positive and culturally familiar images. Ethical issues such as culturally unfamiliar images have an effect on society because of visual stereotypes. We must bring global awareness to companies because businesses have a variety of representatives. It is negative and demeaning. Thank you for your time on this project, Bob. I want to apologize for any constructive criticism if it was a little harsh. I value your input. Keep up the good work.